I'm going to show you the modification that I made on this freeze dryer. You pull out the racks, and back here is a plug. You have to push and release the plug here. It's going to take 2 hands. I'll be right back. Okay, plug is out. What I did here is bought this neon light. There's a built-in resistor in there to run on 120 volts. So it's a neon gas bulb. And here is the connections for the heaters. Each one of the trays has a heater on the bottom of it to heat up your product. And on the top here is a 120 volt input, and that's what I have this hooked to. So anytime the heaters are on, there's power coming in here, and this indicator lights up, and that way I know when the heater is actually engaged, and that helps me to know when to take this the trays out, because the trays have to be warm when they come out, or if not, they're going to be ice cold. And as soon as you pull them out, if they're still ice cold, they start to absorb moisture from the air, and within a minute they're soaked with moisture. Well, that's no good. I mean, you can't package anything up when it's ice cold like that. The product shouldn't be cold because it's dry, but the tray will be cold, and the tray will draw in the moisture, and your product will suck it right up. So I like to have them on hot. So back in the back is where that light is, and you can see it when it's on and the heaters are on. So I put it into frost mode right before I take it out for a minute, and that's how I ensure that these trays are all warm and not ice cold. Okay, I know this machine makes a lot of noise, but I want you to see what I can see. The vacuum pressure's down. It's ready to take out anything under 300 is fine. Back in there, you can't see the light, but everything's ready to go. Now I'm going to cancel this. Then I'm going to put it on defrost. After I release the vacuum, I'm going to release my vacuum first. So hang on, I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit defrost for 1 minute. See my lights on in the back? That's that LED that I was saying, or the neon bulb that I was saying I put on the back. So now I know the heaters are on the racks. But I only leave it on for 1 minute, no more. And then I take the trays out and start putting them in baggies right away.